Okay, here's our backyard, our little spring snowstorm we had. And this is my pond you're looking at, which you probably can't even tell. But right there where the bird bath is to the right is my pond, which is covered with snow. There's our little wishing well. And to give you an idea, this is the table, our patio table. And I'll show you, that's about, well, it's already melted some, but you can see how much snow we have. Okay, so I'm sick of snow and I'm hoping spring will get here soon. It's a little fast. I'll show you our driveway and our neighbors, and you can see we got quite the snowstorm here for considering it's March. But it's all good. It'll melt off. Okay, that's it. Just an update. Bye.